Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a neck break illusion. Now, a neck break illusion could just as easily have been called a shoulder sway illusion, or it could have been a neck break accordion, or it could have been a shoulder sway accordion. It's basically all those things are the same thing. It's really useful if you already know how to do a neck break or a shoulder sway, depending upon how you want to get into it. And doing an accordion illusion spin is also going to be really good for getting the technique for the illusion bit of it. Okay, so it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Hence we end up in an accordion. We start in a neck break, though you could just as easily have started in a shoulder sway. So I'm going to treat it as if we're doing a neck break entry. So we go semicircle back, big strong signal. Links to all those other things in the description below so you can get a chance to check them all out. We come in, standard neck break. As we transfer the hand twisting the lady out, we need to get the other hand. So in the shoulder sway it'll be easy, we just pick it up. In a neck break we're going to have to offer where the lady can see it. So butterfly neck break technique, coming down, shaking hands grip. Okay, from here we do the prep as if we were doing a standard neck break, except the fact that we have the other hand. We send the lady out, we're doing the big strong turn, exactly the same timing as usual, but as we come round to see the lady to go for the rest of the turn, these right hands are going to pop through the middle of the left, so we let go with the lefts, recollect, finish it off, and of course at speed it looks like the arms went through each other. Okay, hence the illusion bit. And now all we've got to do is the return section of the accordion, and that way no one's going to get dizzy. Okay, so let's think about numbers. Semicircle back, big strong signal. 1, coming in side by side. 2, twisting out. 3, we need to make sure we've got the hand ready after we've gotten through to the prep. 4, the big turn is still only 1 count, so we've got to get all the way around. 5, and face 6. Returning 7 and back 8. So let's see if it works. Here we go. 5, 6, a neck break illusion. We go back in, transfer and offer, prep, big turn and look, return and back, and that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you to everybody who does that, because it helps promote the channel. And if you're enjoying it, let us know. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.